Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you're new here, my name is Alex Ray, and joining me today, clearly I'm at DP Automotive Electronics with Matija and Matija's beautiful E90 M3.
It's a little dirty right now, so I apologize to the viewers. I tried to keep it clean, but our parking lot's gravel, so it gets a little tough.
So we are here because Project Sky, my 2008 BMW E90 M3, is currently off the road. We're going to be doing a whole lot of engine rebuild stuff. We're going to work with VAC, throw in a 4.4 liter. Matija and his team will be rebuilding the engine and doing that. When you rebuild an engine, you have to break it in, right? And I have a differential, a motorsport differential, that also needs to be broken in. And ideally, I don't want to have both engine and differential broken in at the same time, especially with tuning. So that is why Matija has graciously allowed me to install my Drexler 4.1 differential, my carbon driveshaft, as well as my KMP axles that connect into the differential in his beautiful E90 M3.
Listen, man.
notice it?
It's definitely like it has a lot more pickup. It's a lot quicker to climb the reps.
Okay.
Which is nice on this. 410 actually feels fantastic in these cars. I mean, it brings, like, the power comes on a lot quicker. Obviously, the axles, what we put in, that's more so a durability thing when it comes to tracking the car. So Alex will probably have more experience with that once he gets his car on the road.
Which, who knows how long that's going to be?
Who knows? It might be a year, it might be 2, it might be in a decade. Maybe it'll be a class.
It better not be a decade.
Who knows? Who knows? So, yeah, the 410 feels super nice. Locks up. But yeah, it's super predictable. Plus side of the carbon drive shaft is you don't have that hanger bearing issue. You don't have any U-joints. It's pretty much engineered solution to fix that driveline problems with these cars, especially now as they're getting older. So yeah, no, good stuff overall. Obviously, the diff will be a lot better than, you know, a lot better for track use versus the stock diff, and driving on city streets isn't the greatest test of it, but it feels good.
It accelerates nicely, right?
Yeah.
So overall, you're happy with this?
Pretty happy with it. I mean, it's not mine, it's yours, so it's good.
I don't know.
I don't know how the fuel economy is going to be. Going to be horrendous when I break it in. But
so what happens when we take 3.85, we upgrade the diff, and we bring it to 4.1? What would someone notice that doesn't know much about cars?
So because it's a higher ratio, the engine's going to spin a lot more now. It's going to spin for every revolution of the engine. It's going to spin 4.1 times the diff, or the final drive is 4.1 times compared to the engine.
But if I don't know what that means, what am I going to notice? Am I going to notice that the revs are going to be more happier?
Your revs are going to be happier. Your speed, your top speed is going to be shorter because your revs are going to, like, technically the revs are going to climb quicker.
Okay.
So, the lower the ratio, the longer it takes for the revs to climb up all the way. The higher the ratio, the faster the revs climb up. So what that means is with the revs climbing up, especially in the E9X chassis, you get to that top peak power band at, like, close to red line a lot quicker. So it's going to help, you know, acceleration, your 0 to 60, all that kind of stuff. It's going to increase your fuel consumption.
Yeah.
Because you're going to be constantly revving up higher. So,
increase my fuel consumption, decrease my fuel economy. Yes.
Yes, yeah, exactly. Same.
Yeah.
But so yeah, like highway speeds, you'll notice that you might be revving 300-400 RPM more. There's calculators, you can go online and see what change in diff ratio is going to do to your, like, you know, speed and rev output.
So the car's going to be louder, especially I have the Meisterschaft. For those of you guys that don't know, I haven't actually posted a video of it yet, but what I'll do is I'll do a video unboxing my Meisterschaft Super GT full titanium exhaust. It's the loudest exhaust that you can get for this car.
He's going to go deaf driving to Toronto or anywhere, so that's it.
Yeah, not by my choice, but I want it to be as light as possible, and I guess with the RPMs being higher, it's going to be very loud pretty much all the time.
Well, yeah, you're going to be in that louder noise range too. You're not going to be able to, you know, slap it in 6 and have it at like 1500 RPM where you're kind of cruising. Yeah. It's always going to be, you know, at like 2000 RPM. So whatever the Meisterschaft exhaust, depends on where it makes the noise, you might be in that range more often.
Okay. So we've been driving for about 10 kilometers now. It's equivalent for us US folks, or sorry, equivalent for the US folks, that's probably about
6 miles.
6 miles, yeah. How does it feel so far?
Feels good, no noise. So whoever built the diff did a good job, that's for sure.
Shout out to you, Florian. So, limitedslip.de, the best of the best.
Drive shaft feels fantastic. Like I said, it fixed the issue what my car had with the cowbell noise, and if anyone else has that problem in their E9X, definitely an option to look at. So that about wraps up the video here. I can't live with Matija, unfortunately, because he still has to break it in, and he'll be doing that and enjoying the car on his own. So we have a pretty rigorous break-in procedure. The first 30 miles or so will be done. I mean, we're gonna do a little bit more, but we then need to do about 300 to 600 miles. And by we, I don't mean me, I mean Matija and this beast of a machine. So he'll be enjoying it for another 300 miles or so. Yeah. And when it's time to uninstall everything, we'll give final thoughts from Matija as to how much he enjoyed this whole setup, because yeah, we're really excited to put this on Project Sky. So we'll see how the diff fluid comes out too, so hopefully not too much shiny metal. Yeah. Well, thanks guys for watching. Make sure to like and subscribe. Matija, thank you, Cam and the team for
for always working hard. And I think those kids got excited seeing Matija's. This is Interlagos, right?
Le Mans.
Le Mans Blue. There's a difference, okay? But yeah, make sure to like and subscribe and comment, and we'll see you in the next video. Peace.
Bye.